I'm adjusting the hour and the date on this Polar Watch FT1, FT2 with a single buttons. So the way this works is that you have to keep pressing on the button to scroll to the menus. If you wait a few seconds without pressing on the button, it's going to enter a menu. Let's just give you an idea. So I'm keep pressing it, and if I don't press on it anymore, it's going to enter the menu. If you need to exit a menu, you just keep the button depressed for a few seconds and it's going to exit. And this is true for all menus. So I'm saying this in advance so you just don't get stuck in a menu. Let's just scroll down to the time menu and I wait a few seconds without pressing. It's going to enter the menu. So first they are asking me, do you want 12-hour or 24-hour display? While it's flashing, you can press the button to switch. Maybe you want 24 hours. And when it says OK, click once. So now it's asking the hour and the minute. So while it's flashing, you can adjust them and then keep the button to confirm for OK. So let's just, I'm not going to change the minutes. Let's just maybe change the hour to show you. So wait for it to flash. It's flashing, it's 6. And what's important, when you adjust anything on this watch, keep pressing on the button. Do not keep it depressed. If you keep it depressed, it's going to exit this menu. So for every increment, press once. Don't keep the press like on other watches. It's going to flash the minutes. I'm not going to adjust the minutes. And when it says OK, I'm going to click once. And that sets the time. Let's just set the date. So again, I'm going to scroll through the menu, keep pressing on the button, and now I'm going to wait. It's going to enter the menu. That's the day, 04. This is the month, 07. So let's maybe change the day. Again, you see I'm clicking for every single increment. I'm not keeping press the button like a fast scroll or something. That's not going to work. That's going to exit the menu. So that's not what you want to do. Now I'm going back to 4. It's going to flash the month. And now I'm clicking on the OK to confirm. And this is the day. It doesn't have automatic calendar, so it's Saturday. Maybe you can scroll it. So I see it's scrolling through the days. Let's get back to Saturday. And when it says OK, I'm going to click once. And your date is set. So again, keep pressing on the button to scroll through the menus. If you are stuck in a menu for some reason, it doesn't matter what's in that menu specifically, just keep the button depressed. A few seconds is going to exit that menu. Thanks for watching.